Om Sai Ram friends, this is Venkat from StarShare.com. One of those reasons why many women write to me in the last 15 years is because they wanted to have a child. So being a mother is a desire of so many women. Apart from that, in India, if you're married and if you're not having a child within these first 2, 3 years, people start to question you. So that's really a problem in the society, and nobody knows that it is not right to ask those questions because they will already have some other priorities or other issues to sort out in their life. But in any case, this is the case today. Even before 100 years, imagine the situation if a woman is married and she is not able to have a child. The society seems to, treat her very badly during Baba's lifetime in Sridi, probably in 1890. Those days in 1890s, in the early 19th century, people had a belief that if someone meets this fakir in Sirdi, that is Sai Baba, and offers him a coconut, and if the fakir, if Baba gives back that coconut with a blessing, that woman will certainly be blessed with a child, and in fact a male child. Because those days, before 100 years, it was expectation of woman to bear a male child. Obviously, even today, to my utter shock, some women write to me, some families write to me asking, my first child is a girl, so now I want a baby boy. So please don't expect that kind of blessings from Baba, at least in this particular time, because Baba is a saint who keeps changing based on the norms in the society. Before 100 years, there was a norm, and today there is a norm. Today, you have to accept both a male child and a female child equally and be happy with it. Now let us move on to this devotee's experience. This devotee is someone whom I really respect because she not only writes about her pregnancy, she also wrote about her, how Baba helped her to do her PhD. So I will read out the experience for you. This is from a devotee named Divya Singh. I have been a very simple, ordinary girl leading an ordinary life. I had my own sets of mistakes and problems, but it is not only due to the blessing, but it is only and only due to the blessings of Sai Baba that I have got everything in life which I really think I never deserved also. I am content with what I have due to His grace, and I wish He continues to shower His blessings upon me and my family. Although my happiness in life is due to His miracles, I'll be sharing a miracle story of my second pregnancy. Reading Sai Satcharita. I was trying for a second baby and I had miscarriage in January 2018. I was depressed and prayed to Sai Baba to bless me with a healthy second baby. With His grace, I conceived again in August 2018, and this time I decided I will read Sai Satcharita one chapter daily throughout my pregnancy. I did this and I delivered a healthy baby boy on 14th May 2019. I had completely surrendered to Sai Baba and had only read Sai Satcharitra as I felt this alone will take care of everything, and that came true. Remember one thing, there are people who go to different temples, different gurus, they want to meet someone who can speak to Baba. Don't do all those things. Baba is in your heart, He is your Antaryami. Just take the book of Sai Satcharita and read it with humble, pure love and Sai. You will be blessed. I will continue. Also, I would like to mention that during my first pregnancy, I had 1 week reading of Sai Satcharita before delivery and was blessed with baby without any complications of high NP and baby being in breech position. Remember that it's not only enough if you conceive. It is also important that you should have a happy and safe pregnancy, and you should also deliver the baby peacefully, deliver the baby in a good health condition. So this Divya says that even during her first pregnancy, she read Sai Satcharitra within 1 week, and that blessed her with a healthy baby. Now we'll continue reading. Secondly, during this time, I also resigned from the job as I wanted to have baby first, and I also have a toddler to take care. but still I wanted to continue my job in future. I'm also doing PhD. So I was waiting for exams during pregnancy time, and the dates didn't came that time. Rather, the dates came at the time of the due date. So priorities are always there. Some women, they easily skip their career and education because of family issues, because they want to have a healthy child. But remember one thing: everything is important in life in today's world. You have to earn your living. You have to help your husband to earn, to run the family too. So I always appreciate and respect women who ensure that they are well educated. They do continuous education and also keep up to their career. It's not that I don't like other women. I just want to inspire women to continue their work. So I really feel happy when this lady wrote to me that she is trying to do her PhD and complete her education also, and also have a safe pregnancy. I will continue. During PhDs, doing PhD is really important for me to have career in future. But without giving exams, it will waste my 1 year. So again, I surrendered to Baba as whatever he will do will be for my good only. And there comes the second miracle. The dates given were 15th May, but somehow the paper that I wanted to give shifted to 31st May and in June, which is nearly impossible because that was university exam. So instead of the paper which was actually supposed to appear the paper on a due date, the paper appeared in the month of June, at the end of May. So which was according to her Baba's miracle. Baba saved her both with safe pregnancy and also opportunity to do her PhD, write her exam. I'll continue. There are still small details on how Sai Baba turned the situations in my favor, but the crux of the miracle is that he blessed me with a healthy baby and also took care of my exams. Hence, I would say Sai Satcharita alone can take care of problems. It gives me intense peace of mind and satisfaction. Sai Baba has given me everything beyond anyone's expectation, and I wish to get his blessings forever and hope he forgives me of my sins and prevents me from doing any mistakes which hurts others. Divya Singh. So this is an amazing experience from a woman who wanted to have a safe child, happy pregnancy, safe birth of child, and also ensure that she does her exam for her to get her PhD. And Baba's helped her doing his miracles. Sai Leela was really beautiful in this experience. For any woman who wants to conceive a child, who's worried about pregnancy issues or not having child, I recommend you to read Satcharita 1. That is not the only way though. You can always chant Baba's name, you can do some puja, but the most important thing is have patience. I know people will be troubling you, relatives, friends, asking you what happened, no good news, everything, but have immense patience. Patience, the most important thing in some issues, and Baba is certainly going to help you out. So with this, I will finish up this devotee's experience. Next time, I will see you with another beautiful experience. Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram.